Hey guys, another video here, but we're gonna do a PC build. But video here, we're gonna be doing a $800 gaming PC. Let's get into it. So for the motherboard, we went with the Load MSI Pro Series Intel B250 LGA 1151 DDR4 USB 3.0 Micro ATX motherboard B250M Pro VV for $51. And for our GPU, whatever you call it, I forgot, we go with the Intel Core i5 7500 LGA 1151 7th Gen Core desktop processor BX 806 77i 57500, and it's $190. So that leaves our total as, wait, let me do something real quick. So 134. Wait, I did it wrong. Let me just do this real quick. I have my tablet. And our total right now is 241. And for our RAM, we went with a single stick 8GB DDR. Let me go back. Accident. So we're back, and I'm having my vitamins, but we're back. I accidentally put DDR3 instead of DDR4. Can't choose. So if you add two of these, DDR4, 4GB, add this first 50. Lives are total to 291. For our graphics card, one with a Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1060 WindForce OC 3GB GDDR5 graphics card. For going for $373.00. So $373, and that leaves our total to $664. So we have $200 to spend. So if we have power supply, EVGA 500 watt, 80 plus Y 500 watt, 7-year warranty power supply. It is way more than you expect, but if you go to size, you can get a 430 watt. But I would get a 500 watt because people want, it's going for $90 for a 430 watt. So I would go for a 500 watt power supply from EVGA. They're always reliable, and they are $48. So $712. So with our hard drive, we're doing a 1TB desktop hard drive from WD Blue 1TB hard drive, and that is going for $46. But if you're watching this video a year later, it might go down for these prices. And to 46, and plus our SSD. We're going with a Adata SU 800 128GB SSD, and that's going for $48 plus 48. 806, but I was going for but if you want to go for a power supply and a case, you could do that, but I went with the Roswell Micro ATX Mini Tower for $25. So plus 25 would be 834. But you could, if you have exactly $800 in your bank, you could minus 48, make that an power supply case combo. So find one of those. You can find one, but you could just go with the Roswell. But that's going to be the end of the video. Make sure you like, and Donald Trump won't be president anymore. So like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.